Hello, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my M1 finance portfolio called the Money Maker. So I just completed my 40th week on investing on my M1 finance, and I can tell you right now that this week I didn't gain that much. I think I mostly lost. The battery day didn't go as planned. I thought Tesla will go up this week, but unfortunately it went down. But it's been recovering this past 2 days, so my losses are not that bad this week. So for you guys who are new to my channel, my moneymaker pie consists of 100% stocks. It mostly consists of dividend stocks, which is 65%, and the other 35% are growth stocks. So for this week, I deposited $200. So alright, let's go through my stocks. Let's change this to week and see how I did this week. As you guys know, we're gonna save the no dividend for last. So we're gonna go to my technology first, which seems like the only green slice of my pie for this week. Alright, Nvidia, I gained $63.92, which is 5.62%. Microsoft, I gained $41.29, which is up 3.88%. Apple, I gained $37.87, which is up 5.28%. Skyworks, I gained $10.52, which is up 1.46%. So as you guys can see, all my stocks from my tech won this week. It wouldn't be like this if these stocks didn't recover this past 2 days. For my technology, I gained $153.60, which is 4.22% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my consumer, which consists 12% of my pie. McDonald's, I lost $3.34, which is down 0.54%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $1.36, which is up 0.22%. So you guys can see, my consumer lost $1.98, which is down 0.16%. I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. My finance, it used to be 6% of my pie last week. So you guys can see, I don't have my communication slice anymore. I sold it because I didn't think that Verizon Wireless was worth investing in. So let's go to my finance. Visa, I lost $20.92, which is down 2.53%. I did not earn any dividends. So yeah guys, all my slices lost this week. So as you can see, they're all red. Now let's go to my industrial, which consists 8% of my pie. Also, this used to be 6%. For my industrial Honeywell, I lost $27.25, which is down 3.29%. I did not earn any dividends. No dividend, it is now 37% of my pie. This used to be 35%. Tesla, I lost a whopping $202.94, which is down 7.91%. So, and I've been waiting for the battery day. Unfortunately, it did not go up. I thought Tesla was gonna go up this week, but it didn't. So overall, on battery day, it was still a good announcement. Tesla is still worth keeping for the long term. I can tell that this will go up way more in the future. Yeah, this is my biggest loss for this week. It would have been bigger if Tesla didn't start recovering this past 2 days. Square, I gained $77.76, which is up 8.76%. Roku, I gained $95.39, which is up 13.68%. So as you can see, this Square and Roku are good savior. It minimizes my losses from my no dividend slice this week. Also, Roku hit its 52-week high this week. For my no dividend, I lost $29.79, which is down 0.72%. So like I said, this week was just overall red week. I'm still glad that I won a lot from my technology, which lessened my blow for this week. So for my money maker this week, I still won. I gained $66.41, which is 0.62% return. I did not earn any dividend. The $66 really thanks my technology kept my portfolio up this week. So overall, it's still a good week for me. It's still a green week even though the market has been performing bad. So that's it for this week. Like I've always been telling you guys, keep investing, keep growing that wealth. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.